You know that tasty Buka stew that you love to eat every time you go to the restaurant? Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can make it in the comfort of your kitchen. Hi, my name is Jumi. I make food recipes on my channel. Do well to subscribe and like this video. So these are the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. I have my beef, I have pomo. This pomo is a must for your Buka stew. I have my diced onions, I have pepper, I'm using tomatoes, I'm using some scotch bonnet pepper and my red bell pepper. Three combination of peppers will give you the perfect Buka stew. I'll be using palm oil and vegetable oil, some red onions and my stock cubes. So these are the ingredients I'll be using for my Buka stew. So I'm going to set my pot on fire and I'm going to transfer the meat into the pot. For a start, I'm going to boil the meat. So I'm adding my crayfish stock cube into the meat. I added some diced onions and also a little salt. I'm going to stir this together, then I'm going to add in some water, then cover it up to cook. While the beef is cooking, I'll go ahead to blend the peppers. For Buka stew, you need to blend your pepper till it's very smooth. So that's what I'm doing to my pepper here. So now I'm checking the meat to see if it is well cooked. So at this point, the meat is well cooked. Like I'm fine with the texture. It is soft already. So I'm going to turn off the heat and get this out of the pot. Now it's time to make the stew. So I'm going to add some palm oil and the vegetable oil into my pot. I will allow this bleach a bit. I will let it get hot. That's the secret of Buka stew. You need to bleach your palm oil a bit. Then I'm going to add in my diced onions. I'm going to fry this in the oil for like 2 to 3 minutes. I'll fry it till it is floating on the oil. After it is floating on the oil, I'm going to transfer in my pepper mix. So at this point, I'm going to add in my seasoning cube. You can add any seasoning cube of your choice, and I'm going to add the beef stock. That's the water I got from boiling the beef. I'm going to stir this together and cover it up to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. This is it. It's still boiling. There's still a lot of water in the pepper mix, so I'm going to still allow this to boil. Guys, I forgot to record where I was adding the meat. So after I cooked this for 10 minutes, I added my beef and pomo. Sorry guys, I forgot to press the record button while I was pouring this, but we moved. So I have added the pomo, the beef and some salt at this point. So I'm going to leave this to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Buka stew does not have to be thick. It is a light soup or light stew, so I won't let it get thick. If you know Buka stew very well, you know it's not a thick stew or soup. So I'm going to just leave this to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Right now, the stew is getting ready. I'm just giving you a glimpse of how it looks when it is getting done. You realize that the palm oil or the oil you are using in cooking is gathering at the top of the stew. You can see the difference from 10 minutes before and now. The oil used in cooking is gathering together on the top of the stew. That's a sign that our stew is getting ready. So at this point, the stew is ready to be served with any meal of your choice. See how it looks. The oil is gathered on top, perfectly cooked, yummy, sweet, delicious. I hope you try this recipe at home. This is just a basic way of making your Buka stew in the comfort of your kitchen. Thank you for watching. Till I come your way next time with another recipe. Stay safe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and drop a comment. Bye.